The next question is, from the list, how many numbers are the multiples of 20? The numbers are given here. It's 12, 25, 40, 36, 80, 100, 110 and 150. Okay. And the options given here are 3, option B 0, option C 1 and option D 2. Okay. So now we have to find out how many numbers are the multiples of 20. Is 12 a multiple of 20? No, it's not possible because it is a smaller number. Is 25 a multiple of 20? No, that is also not possible. The next one, 40. So we know that 20 is nothing but we have to just calculate the value of 2 stable, right? And we have to add a 0 behind it. So 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. Similarly, 20 into 1 is 20, 20 twos are 40. Yes, it is divisible 2 times. So what about 36, children? No. Now since the number here ends with 0, we have to see that the numbers that ends with 0 and then is it divisible by 2. So 36 is not possible again. Coming to 80, 21s are 20, 22s are 40, 23s are 60, 24s are very good 80. So this is also a multiple of 20. Coming to 5, 20 into 5 is very good 100. So this will also come. 20 into 6 is 120. Here it is given as 110. So this is not a multiple. Next, 27s are 140, 28s are 160. Here it is 150. So this is also not a multiple. So how many are there, children? It's 1, 2 and 3. That is option A. Clear? Shall we move to the next question? Okay. So here is my next one. The question says, which number complete the factor tree for 88? Okay. The number here is 88. Then the next one is 22 and here it is 4. The next one, here there is a box, here there is a box too, and for 4 it is 2 and here also it is 2. The option given are 4 and 11, option B 2 and 11, option C 4 and 12, option D 3 and 11. Okay. So now let's try to find the right answer. So 88, if you divide it If you simplify it, it will be 22 and 4. So 22 into 4 is 88. Right. Here 2 into 2 is 4. So now we need to check which two numbers will come here so that the product obtained is 22. So 21, 22 divided by 2. So 2 ones are 2. Again 2 ones are 2. So which means that 11 into 2 is 22. So here the answer will be 2 and 11. That is option B is the right answer. Clear, children? Shall we move to the next one? Okay. So here is your next question. The question says, which numbers complete the factor tree? Okay. And this is your diagram. Here it is 105. Here you have something. Here also you have something. This will be 3 and 7. Okay. The given options are option A 21 and 4, option B 5 and 42, option C 42 and 4, and option D 21 and 5. Okay. So now how we will find out, children? 3 into 7 is how much? 3 sevens are? Yes, 21. And now I will divide 105 with 21 to see what is the quotient. So 105 divided by 21. So let's multiply and see. Here this number ends with 5, right? So let us try to multiply by 5 and see. 1 5s are 5, 2 5s are 10. Yes. So this divides exactly by 5. So here it will be 5. So what is my answer here? 21 and 5. That is option D. Clear? So is the family tree questions clear, children? Shall we move to the next question?